Number 1. Real-time AI in Leonardo. Check out how this simple drawing gets converted into amazing artwork in real time. All you need to do is draw a simple sketch and give it a little prompt. Here's how to do this. Head over to leonardo.ai. Once you're on the website, click on Launch App and create a free account. Then, from the left-hand side, click on Real-Time Canvas. In the box on the left, you can start drawing what you want the AI to generate. Don't worry, your drawing can be pretty bad. This is where it gets pretty crazy. In this prompt box, type in what you want the AI to refine. As you type, the AI will generate the artwork in real time. This is absolutely insane. You can even pick the exact art style you want, whether that's anime, cinematic, painting, or sketch art. There's a ton of different options to choose from. Then click this Instant Refine option, which makes your image look 100 times better. Another crazy feature in Leonardo AI is when you go to image generation and type in a prompt to generate an image. Let's say we type, "a muscular man wearing a Santa hat giving a thumbs up." Not only will it generate some amazing images, but if you hover over an image, you will see this option to generate motion video. Then, adjust the motion strength slider for how much motion you want to see, and in a couple of seconds, it produces this high-quality moving AI generation, which actually looks pretty realistic. Mind-blowing. Number 2. AI translation.
Imagine if you could speak 8 languages fluently. Imagina hablar 8 idiomas. Soचिए, अगर आप 8 भाषाओं में बात कर सकते हो, wyobraź sobie, że płynnie mówisz w 8 językach. Imagina se potessi parlare 8 lingue e connetterti.
Here's how to do this. Head over to heygen.com and click Get Started. Then, create a free account. Once you're in, click on Video Translation, upload a video, and select the language you want to translate to.
Es aterrador pensar que alguien creerá que esto es real cuando solo es IA. Hablo español ahora, pero no sé cómo hablarlo. Todo es IA.
Number 3. Image to video. Check out how I created this moving bird from a still picture. Here's how to do this. Head over to runwayml.com. Once you've created a free account, select the image to video option. On the left-hand side, select the option for motion brush. Then, upload a photo of your choice. You can then begin to select the areas with the brush that you want to bring to life. In this case, I will select all the areas of the bird. Note that you can turn off Auto Detect Area if you want to manually paint over areas. Then, adjust these sliders for how much motion you want on each axis. Once you're all done, click on Generate and watch your photo come to life. Number 4. AI GIF Face Swap. Head over to missgif.app. On the main page, you can find a bunch of popular GIFs to use. Or, you can search for a GIF. Then, simply upload a picture of the face you want to swap, and that's it. It's pretty cool. Number 5. AI Music. Head over to musicfi.lol. Click on Get Started and log in with a free account. Once you're in, go to Convert Voice. Then, click on Select Voice. You can convert your voice into one of these artists, or, for this example, I'll create an instrumental. Let's say I want to replicate an electric guitar with my voice, so I'll select the electric guitar. Then, I'll record myself making a guitar sound.
Bow, 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 bow.
Then, click Generate, and it will convert your voice into an electric guitar. Number 6. AI Voice Changer. If you want to change your voice
To someone with an English accent, check out 11labs.io.
create a free account. Then once you're in, make sure you're on the Speech tab, and select Speech to Speech. Record or upload what you want to say. Then, select from one of 11 Labs' pre-made voices.
You will then have an elegant voice to narrate all of your voiceovers. Outstanding.
Number 7. AI History. Have you ever wanted to quickly visualize the history of your favorite apps, gadgets, or companies? Well then head over to mylens.ai. It's really simple to use. Just enter in what you want to see the history for, like the iPhone for example, and hit enter. This tool will then create a timeline for you of the iPhone's entire history. Basically everything about the iPhone to make it what it is today. You can do this for anything you want. Microsoft, Facebook, TikTok, literally anything. And it will narrow down the most important historical milestones in an easy-to-visualize timeline. Then, if you want to save these timelines, just click on the download button. This can really come in handy for presentations and video creation. Number 8. AI ads. Head over to CapCut.com and sign up for a free account. CapCut has a feature called Text to Design, where you write a description of the graphic you want and upload an image. It will then generate several custom graphics for you to choose from. This is especially useful for social media graphics and product advertisements. Here's another really cool AI feature for ads. CapCut has a tool called Product URL to Ads. For example, to create a video ad for a product, simply paste in a product link. CapCut will analyze the website and generate several custom ads for your product. It's actually really crazy. You can also select from their pre-made business templates. Then just drag and drop a picture of your product and you have a custom ad ready to go.
Number 9. Personal AI host.
So if you don't want to be on camera, but you want an on-camera AI host, you can download and create an AI host in CapCut Desktop. The best part is that it's completely free and it's super easy to do. Head over to Text and drag one onto the timeline. Then, under Basic, type in or paste some text. Next, go to AI Characters. Find one that you like and click on it to get a little preview of what it looks and sounds like.
Hey, good to see you.
Then, click on Add. The AI character will get added to your timeline. You can then adjust the size and position as you want, and you can also get rid of the text if you want.
Look at this beautiful sunset view on your personal beachfront. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I've uploaded a beach background here, but you can upload your own background. Or go to Media, select Library, and search for a background directly from CapCut. Number 10. AI Face Swap. Is that Elon Musk in this GTA 6 poster? That's right. Here's the original that we used to swap in Elon's face. This next AI tool actually does a pretty good job. You can swap faces into any picture you want. Here's how to do this. Head over to clipdrop.co. Hover over Tools and select the option for Swap. Next, upload any picture into this box. The AI will automatically detect the faces and put these blue circles around them. Then, simply upload the face you want to swap into the blue circle. That's it. Then you can click the download button in the top right to save the picture. You can do this for literally any picture you want. Check these out. You can also scroll through different versions, each giving a slightly different facial expression. It's pretty cool. It's crazy to see how amazing and powerful AI tools are becoming. It feels like they get better every single day. Hope you enjoyed these 10 insane AI tools. See you in the next one. Thanks, everyone.